Alright, so this is a tiny little super high power, battery powered smoke machine. I didn't even know these things existed, but check this out. Instant heat up. Immediately just fills the entire room in like 10 seconds.
In hindsight, we probably should have seen that coming.
Look how tiny this thing is, and that puts out so much smoke instantly.
Oh my god. I'm gonna have to message everyone. It's like fire.
This is for an upcoming project I'm pretty excited about.
I don't know how to turn those off.
That's crazy.
No, stop! Easy.
Why would he do this in here?
I don't know.
There's no airflow.
Rodden, you're really living up to your job title as Director of Special Projects. You realize this system is an official system, which means we cannot just turn it off. Fire department may have already been called.
Uh-oh.